Hi guys! Today I will show you how to grow mung bean sprouts. How to grow mung bean in 3 easy steps. Number 1. Wash and rinse mung beans. Number 2. Put tissue paper in the strainer and place the mung beans and cover it with the tissue paper on top. Place it in a dark area where it cannot be reached by light. Number 3. Water it every day during the morning and night for 3 days. Mung bean sprouts are a culinary vegetable grown by sprouting mung beans. They can be grown by placing and watering the sprouted beans in the shade until the hypocotyls grow long. Mung bean sprouts are extensively cultivated and consumed in East Asia. Mung beans produce an edible sprout that is crisp and described as nutty tasting. These sprouts are substantial enough to stand up to stir frying, but they are often used raw in salads and on sandwiches. Mung bean sprouts are low in calories, have fiber and B vitamins, and deliver a boost of vitamins C and K. Mung bean sprouts can carry bacteria, so raw sprouts should be avoided by children, pregnant women, the elderly, and anyone with a weakened immune system. You'll lose some of their nutrients, but you'll kill any potential bacteria by cooking the sprouts. Thank you for watching. Like and share.